All right, some highlights from our trading chat room today. This was kind of a quick decision here. I called Shaw, which was kind of in sympathy to that CCJ, those nuclear stocks that got hammered recently. I said if Shaw breaks its high of the day, which would have been right here, it's the earlier high, it could go with a stop here. I had to do what we call an audible to stop right down here because I didn't have time to type it. Not sure how many people got a hold of it, but Shaw broke the high of the day. Well, I should show you what it looked like when I called it. Looked like this. I said if it gets through the high of the day, you can put your stop right around here. And look at that. The trigger was 32, I think 97. Made it all the way to 33.88. And the beauty of it is that the stop was only 13 cents below. So anytime you can get a 91 cent move on 13 cents risk, that's a pretty good deal. Also JDSU, we had kind of on bounce watch today. I called it after it sold off and then it bounced and then sellers came in on this red candle here and then it came back down. I said if it breaks this red candle it could go. Trigger and stop I posted. These were actually alerted via typing and voice. 1918 was the trigger, which was right here. Worst case stop down here below, so 24 cents below, so not a great tight stop, but if you draw the line you see the stop never got hit. And from 1918 it did make it up to 1957, so about a 40-cent move, but the risk wasn't as tight as I like to keep them. SLW, called this one 41.55. See how it had this, well, let me change to my pen here. It had a high here, a little bit higher high right here, so you had basically what we like, a base below the high of the day. Try to show it to you what it looked like in real time. So I said if it gets over this candle here, 41.55, could get through the high of the day. Had a nice gap up to kind of an island reversal there, so I liked a lot of stuff about it. Called it at 41.55, right about there. Worst case stop below this base right in here. The stop was, let me get this right, about 16 cents below, and market's still open for about 3 minutes, but it's trading up around 42.10 now. So over 50-cent move there on about 16 cents risk. Another like an audible I gave this morning was STI, SunTrust Bank. After that gap up, it just couldn't follow through. I said this could be a fadeable gap up, short below the 5-minute low, 30.13. Worst case stop could be high of day or above the trigger handle itself at 30.36 for a little bit tighter stop. But anyway, from 30.13, anyone in the room that took the audible idea down to 29.22, almost a dollar move on not too bad of a risk. Anyway, that's the highlights from today. If you traded today, you know how really boring most of it was. A lot of bases, little breaks that took 20-25 minutes to move a dime. So it's just one of those days, and I think it's just a Monday with really no financial news scheduled to come out today. So hopefully it'll pick up later this week. Until then, we'll send out another highlight video tomorrow night from Tuesday's chat room trading. All right, talk to you then.